Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the admission notification. Here the university is Central University of Punjab. It has more than 30 departments and then 174 seats. Now they have announced for the admission notification. Let's go through the details of the programs. You can see that the School of Basic Sciences, in that they have applied agriculture, agribusiness, and then food science and technology, and then biochemistry, botany, chemistry, and then theoretical and computational chemistry, computational physics, mathematics, statistics, microbiology, and then physics, zoology. So here we have education and then physical education. School of Engineering and Technology offers computer science and technology. From School of Environment and Earth Sciences, like it is environmental sciences, geology, geography. And in School of Health Sciences we have human genetics, molecular medicine, pharmacology, and then we have mass communication and media studies, political science. In the Department of Languages, Literature and Culture we have English, Hindi and Punjabi. We have law and then commerce, economics and then history. So these are all the 30 departments which we have. Here the eligibility criteria to get admission into Central University of Punjab in this specific notification. Here it is, somebody has to qualify. Like if you would like to apply here, then you should have qualified in the respective subject. Like in the discipline you have to get the masters with minimum 55% for SC/ST OBC and person with disability, and you have to produce the non-creamy layer certificate. And then the second option, the candidate must qualified UGC, CSR or else ASRB NET examination or else JRF, GATE, GPAT, DBT, BET and JEST. And those who have qualified other fellowships, kind of Rajiv Gandhi fellowship, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad fellowship, or nowadays we have this NFSC, and then for OBC also we have separate fellowship after clearing the UGC NET examination. So with that you have to apply here. You can see that at the time of admission you have to produce all the documents. You can see that those who qualified for JRF will get 70 marks as eligibility weightage, and interview will be given 30 marks as a weightage. So in the case of those who qualified NET, they will get 50% mark as a weightage, and then remaining 20% will be given to 20 marks, that is the percentage of marks obtained in the exam. Based on that you will get it, and then the interview will remain 30 marks. So you have to apply before 31st of January. Here we have the important dates. You have to fill it in online, and then the date of interview will be from 8th February to 9th of February. It's Monday and Tuesday. You can see that the commencement of coursework, it will be starting by online by 15th of February, and the last date of admission or registration with full fees payment, it is 26th February. So before that you can get the chance to enroll in the Central University of Punjab. To get more admission notification, do subscribe to the Revamp ED YouTube channel. In the description box I will give the application link so that you can directly apply. Here comes the fees for the application. Like you can see that for general and OBC it is 800, and then for SC/ST it is 400. The person with disability can apply without any fee. There is no fee. All the best. Thank you.